What's up YouTube? Joe here from the Hammerdance Live YouTube channel, and today we're going to learn how to incorporate alerts and widgets through Streamlabs OBS into our streams. The process is fairly simple. We're going to go to streamlabs.com, work in our dashboard there, upload our images or videos that we want for our alerts, work with our sounds. Once we get everything saved on there, we're going to jump back into Streamlabs OBS, the software on your computer, and upload everything there. I do want to add as a side note, I know some designers, so if you guys are looking for custom alerts, custom widget designs or logos or anything like that, drop it down in the comments below and I will reach out to them and get you guys hooked up with what you need. Some of them are fairly cheap and they do amazing work, so please don't hesitate to ask in the comments. If you need some artwork done, I will hook you up. Alright guys, so I'm going to share my screen with you right now. We're going to jump in and start working on this. Here we go. Alright guys, I'm going to try and keep this short and sweet for you. So the first step here is going to be go to streamlabs.com. Once here, you're going to log in with your Twitch account. Alright, we're logged in. That's going to bring you right to your dashboard. We're going to head over to the left side. This is where you can see your alert box, your widgets, your custom website, any merch that you have created, all that good stuff. So we're going to focus on alerts right now and then widgets. So let's click on the alert box. All right, once we're here, we can now see these different tabs. We have general settings, follows, subs, donations, host, bits, raids, merch, so on and so forth. All right, we're going to focus on follows right now because basically if you know how to do one, you can do all of these. Okay, they're very similar. They're just different variations. So if you know how to do one, you can add all of them in. So we're going to focus on follows. So the first thing here that you want to notice is that we have follow alerts enabled. Yes, we want it to pop up on our screen when someone follows our channel. We want them to know that we are happy that they followed. All right, so we're making sure that's enabled. Next, we have the layout. So this basically is showing you the layout of how your follow alert is going to pop up on your screen. The first one here, this is showing that the picture or GIF or anything that you have, your little animation, whatever it is going to show up above the text. Okay, and then obviously this middle one is showing that the text is going to go through the picture, and then on the right here we have one where the picture is on the left and the text is going to pop up to the right of the picture. Okay, so use your own preference for that, whatever you think you're going to like. I go with this one. This works for my animations. Okay, you can even come down here and let's say you're using a picture or a small animation, you can have that animation fade in, fade out, bounce in, bounce out. There's a bunch of different animations here you can choose from, so that's all your own preference. I leave it on fade in and fade out. Okay, so we're going to come down here to message template. So message template is basically what it's going to say when someone follows your channel. Right here where it says name in these brackets, you could just leave that. Basically what that's doing is pulling information. So whoever does follow your channel, it won't say name. It'll say Little Jimmy has followed your channel, if Little Jimmy just followed your channel. You don't have to have it say has followed. You can change it to basically anything you want. You can change it to has joined the Hammerdance Army, something like that, whatever you want. I leave it on has followed because it's nice and simple and short. I like it. And then you can animate that text as well right here with these different animations. Okay, I leave it on none. I like my text to be kind of flat right there, so that's my choice. You guys do whatever you want to do there. All right, so this next box down here, image, this is where you're going to upload an image or an animation or a GIF or anything that you want to pop up when someone follows your stream. Obviously, the way you're going to do that is you're going to click on this little picture right here, and you can drag and drop the image or video or search your computer for it, or you can choose from some stock files that they have right here. This is some old stuff that I used to use a couple years ago. I no longer use that stuff. But they do have stock images right here that you can use, or you can upload your own. Okay, then you're going to select it. And next we have sound. So this is going to be the sound that happens when someone follows your channel and that image pops up and that text pops up. This sound will also come along with it. Okay, so they're going to do the same thing here. You can hit change media, upload your own sound, or use some stock sounds, whatever you prefer. These are some old sounds that I used to use. However, I do not use them anymore. So you're going to select your sound or upload your sound. Okay, next we're going to go down to sound volume. This is where you can change the volume of the sound. If it's too loud, you can come in here, lower it, save it, and that will lower it across all platforms for everybody. So that's good to know. Your alert duration, this is important. You don't want it too long, but you don't want it too short. Most streamers have their alert durations at around 6 to 7 seconds. I use 7 seconds as it works perfect for my animation, so that's what I work with. You can try 6, whatever works for you guys. You know, it's all testing. You can always come back and change it after that. Now, your alert text delay. Your alert text delay is, so when someone follows your channel and that image pops up, The delay is going to be how long it takes for the text to show up under that image. Okay, so my image pops up, my animation pops up saying someone followed, and then 2 seconds after that starts, the text comes up and says, Little Jimmy has followed. Okay, so I leave it at 2 seconds because I like that. Some people might not want any delay. It all depends really on what you want. Custom HTML and CSS, you're not going to really worry about this unless you're using completely custom alerts that someone made for you. In that case, you'll get a bunch more sliders here and stuff to edit the alerts. But for basic alerts, this is what it's going to look like. You're going to come down here. This is where you can mess with the font of your alert. You can change the font, the size, the weight, which is the thickness, the text color, and the text highlight color. This is going to be the person's name, so you can change that as well. You could also make different variations of that. All right, so basically that's a rundown of how to make a single alert. Now that you know how to do follows, you can do subscriptions, donos, hosts, bits, raids, merch, all that other stuff. They're basically all the exact same. You just edit them to your liking. So now we're going to hit save. Before we jump, we're going to save our settings. Make sure you save because there's plenty of times where I've done a lot of work here and I've forgotten to save. So make sure you save your settings. And now we're going to jump into Streamlabs OBS and show you how to actually put it on your stream. All right, so now we're looking at our Streamlabs OBS, and do you want to see how easy it is since we're using Streamlabs? So the best part about Streamlabs is that everything is integrated in here. And what that means is that Streamlabs talks to other Streamlabs dashboards and the website and your follows and your alerts and all your stats for your channel. Basically, everything is incorporated into your Twitch account, which is linked to Streamlabs. And this is how easy it is to get your alerts into Streamlabs OBS. You're going to come up to here. So let's say we have this is the scene I'm using to record here. So in this scene, I have a display capture, which is how you're seeing the screen that I'm recording right here. Okay. And now from there, we're going to hit the plus sign because we have to add our alerts in. So we're adding another source. We're going to come over to the right side under widgets and we're going to hit alert box. Boom. Add this source. Okay. Source comes up right here. This is what we want. Yep. Add it. Now it's in there. We can drag it around. Okay, we're going to put it up in the top right corner here. We're going to lock it so that it can't move. And now when you want to test that, you can come down here and hit test widgets. We're going to test the follow that we just made. And there we go. We have working follows. And it's that simple, guys. So another quick thing I'm going to show you guys how to do right here is we're going to add another widget. So let's say we want to add a follower goal. Right, I'm on the way to getting 1,400 followers, so I want to track that. I want my stream to see that. I want my viewers to look at that. So we're gonna come in here. All these widgets are very simple to add to your stream. It's way simpler than it used to be. You used to need to use browser source URLs, all that crazy stuff with regular OBS. But Streamlabs OBS is just obvious. Honestly, it's so fantastic. I love it, and it's the best thing I've ever used in my life here. So we want to have a follower goal. We're gonna click follower goal. We're gonna hit add source. We're going to hit add source again, and now we have the follower goal in our stream. Just like that. It is right there. And we can also edit the settings from here. So we can go to our follower goal, hit properties, and boom. We have all of our settings in here. You can edit the colors, the amount, the text, anything you want right in here, and hit done, and lock it, and boom, it's now on your stream. Right? We want to move it around. We can unlock it, put it right at the bottom center. Boom. That's it. And it's that simple to add alerts and widgets to your stream. Hope you guys found this useful. Switching back to the camera. So that's about it. That wraps up this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please be sure to like and subscribe. Hit that bell to know when I drop a new video. I really appreciate the support you guys give me. For any of you who don't know, I do stream live on Twitch weeknights, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Definitely follow me on there. I'll answer questions if you guys have them. If you want to drop by the stream and chat a little while, definitely willing to help you on there. I will provide links down to that below in the description of this video. I will provide links to my Twitter down below as well. I do post on there when I'm going live or when I do drop a new video. So that about wraps it up, guys. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content. I will upload a new video next week, and I'll see you guys there. And as always, without fail, happy gaming.